Hey guys, this is how to fix Nest app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. And for Apple users, I will show step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So now for the first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and just simply tap on the search bar at the top and search for the application Nest app. And now from here, just simply tap on the app and just simply tap on the three dots on the top right corner and just simply make sure to enable the auto update over here. And now guys, if there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see update. So now the second solution, if it still doesn't work, just simply go to the settings and now just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply go ahead and search for Nest over here and just simply tap on the search icon at the top and search for Nest, tap on the app, and after that, just simply go for the storage and tap on a clear cache. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on a clear data and tap on OK. Now for the third solution is just simply tap on back at the top left of the screen and just simply tap on uninstall at the bottom and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.